Germantown City Hall. Attention Chestnut Hill East passengers, SEPTA regrets to say this train will terminate at Temple. The next train to Chestnut Hill East leaves in about a half hour. Leaves at 1:52 out of Suburban Station. Once again, Suburban Station will be next. This train makes its local center city stop, Suburban Station, Jefferson Station, and Temple. Temple will now be the final stop for this train. For those passengers which continue to Chestnut Hill East, this train 714, which leaves at 1:52 out of Suburban Station, about a half hour from there. SEPTA apologizes for inconvenience. Suburban Station next.